There is a gas cloud that's approaching the black hole at the center of the Milky Way Galaxy. We call it the G2 cloud. So the G2 cloud is scheduled to spiral into the black hole at the center of the Milky Way Galaxy in the near future, and this is very exciting.
So in the event that this cloud does interact with the accretion disk right around the black hole, Sagittarius A will get quite a bit brighter, and it'll actually act like a light bulb. You can see everything that's happening on the way to the light bulb by looking at it when it's brightest. Using the VLA and ALMA, we can look at dozens of molecules in a single observation, and you get information on the chemistry of these dozens of molecules inside the center of the galaxy, and then also outside of this very center, but in the bar where things are still pretty weird, and then also in the spiral arms. Using a single data set, which is consistent in its method entirely, you can compare the chemistries in so many different places.